Finally, the long wait is over. Yung matagal nyo nang inaantay at yung matagal nyo ng mga tinatanong kung saan ba available at saan ba makakabili, nandito na ang Buildrite Hub ng Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City at ang mga iba't ibang mga Buildrite Hub stores nationwide. Tara, explore natin kung anong meron sa loob ng Buildrite Hub. One thing that you will notice about this hub is that wala kami masyadong products na naka-display because ang naka-focus po dito sa ating showroom are the applied samples para malaman po ninyo kung ano ang tamang chemicals para sa inyong mga projects. Most of the products are stored at the back sa storage area para kung kailangan nyo na, tsaka na lang po natin ilalabas. This is to give you a better experience on what construction chemicals are all about. One benefit that you get from visiting the Buildrite Hub store is that you get most of the construction chemical solutions in one roof. Ika nga, from buhos to finish. So for instance, dito sa surface section, surface is an abbreviation for surface fixing. So meaning, before ka mag-apply ng waterproofing or ng coating, kailangan mo muna i-fix yung surface para before i-accept ng coatings. For instance, dito makikita natin mga applied samples for moisture barriers. So there's different kinds of moisture barriers. And then here makikita naman natin yung iba't ibang klaseng bonding agent. Whether it's light traffic, heavy traffic. And dito naman makikita naman natin what are your solutions naman for dusting floors, weak concrete. So different densifiers, different type of dust proofers. So here at the back, this is the module naman or applied samples for construction solutions. So dito, nilagay namin, what is your requirement? For instance, underlayment for leveling floors before you install flooring system. So nakalagay na dito, ano yung iba't ibang mga materials na kailangan mo. So dito makikita nyo mga applied samples, makikita nyo yung sample itself kung yan ba ang hinahanap natin. So here makikita mo rin how do you do resurfacing, patching, or repairing concrete. So makikita mo yung sample and how you do it, again, the system. Here at this section, you can see how you repair structural crack repairs and the applied sample on how they did it. So ang maganda dito, we have technical engineers to guide you and support you kung meron kayong mga katanungan in this section. Nakikita naman natin ang mga iba't ibang klaseng waterproofing solutions. Yes, opo, marami pong klaseng waterproofing system for your different needs. For instance, makikita natin dito if you need an exposed waterproofing for light to medium traffic, nakalagay na po yung system at yung applied sample. Whether approved ba sa inyo yung ganitong system or not, it's really up to you. Dito naman, makikita natin how do you really repair hairline cracks and what is the type of system to protect your walls from moisture. And here naman, makikita natin toilet and bathroom waterproofing. So makikita nyo, pati yung tiles nilagay na namin para makumpleto na, para hindi po kayo magkakamali. Here at this section, you can see how you do below ground external waterproofing in its different system, different materials, and different works that you need to do. Here also, makikita mo yung basement waterproofing naman from the inside. Here's a cistern tank on how you do it. And here at the back, we have different, again, materials for your roof garden system, whether you want to have a tile-over-tile waterproofing system, whether you want to repair your tiles na nasa roof deck na may tulo, or gusto mo mag-repair ng tiles, ayaw mo na magtanggal dahil may seepage yung tiles to the below ground. So, internally, how you can do it. So, nandito po lahat ng system. And then, makikita nyo po kung okay ba sa inyong finish, or glossy ba, or matte. It's up to you to decide which product you would want to choose. In this section, makikita naman ninyo ang mga finishing solutions. Yung mga iba't ibang klaseng finishing solutions, oo, hindi lang isa at marami siyang klase. Meron siyang, for instance, ang exterior insulation and finishing system or EIFS kung familiar po kayo. Dito makikita yung iba't ibang klaseng materials na kailangan at paano gagawin. Dito naman, makikita naman natin ang exterior insulation and finishing system for roof deck naman. So, para hindi mainit yung ating pinakamataas na floor, ginagamitan na natin ng EIFS, correct. And meron din tayong using insulating plaster. How do you make it na hindi masyado mainit yung ating bahay? Just by using plaster. Ito naman, standard finishing system. Yes, napaka-standard, pero unfortunately, marami pa rin nagkakamali. So for instance dito, yung skim coat po ng Buildrite, makikita nyo, dapat wala po kayo makikitang pulbos. Ayan. So here naman, you can see your drywall, kung paano mo siya dapat gawin. And dito naman, how you do finishing repair system. In this section naman, yung ating tiling solutions. Kung napanood nyo po yung dati nating videos at kapag hindi nyo naman masyado po naintindihan kung ano ang tamang tile adhesive na inyong gagamitin, our technical engineer here at Buildrite Hub will guide you kung ano yung tamang tile adhesive na para sa inyo. Dito naman din, makikita rin natin yung iba't ibang kulay ng tile grout na meron si Buildrite. At the same time, at this section, maituturo din namin sa inyo kung paano ba ang tamang paraan ng pagle-level ng ating tiles using the tile leveling system. In this section is our flooring system section. So here makikita natin yung iba't ibang klaseng types of floors that you will be needing for your construction. Dito, for instance, is the permeable floor. We made a demonstration kung how does a permeable floor works. Bagay ito sa mga resort ninyo or sa mga lanai areas ninyo. Or nandito rin yung mga iba't ibang samples, whether you want to use epoxy, you want to use polyurethane. Do you want to have a rubberized floor for your basketball courts or even yung mga pickleball courts? Nandito naman, pinapakita din natin yung mga anti-skid floors kung medyo madulas yung ating floor. Or even kapag madulas yung ating tiles. Here at this section, papakita naman namin whether you want something that is aesthetic and pleasing to the eyes for your commercial areas or kailangan mo lang ba ng isang coating para sa ating mga roof deck para to protect your mga waterproofing. In this section is the sealant and adhesive section. Kung makikita nyo sa diagram, marami pong iba't ibang klaseng sealant and adhesive because yan po kasi ang tama. Marami pong klaseng sealants para sa mga iba't ibang pangangailangan po ng ating bahay. So for instance, meron ditong mold resistant na sealant, meron din ditong acrylic sealant para sa mga door jamb ninyo, meron din mga neutral cure na sealant, at meron din mga butyl tape na sealant for your concrete ledges. So there are different types of adhesives as well and for your roofing sealants as well. So para hindi ka magkamali, seal it the right way at magtanong para sigurado. In this section is the protective coating section. Talks about how you can protect your metal from corrosion. So for instance dito, nandito yung reflective roof coating solutions natin on how you can protect your roof from corrosion at the same time reduce heat by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. And we also have our specialty tools section. Dito po sa section na to, makikita nyo ang mga iba't ibang gamit para hindi po kayo mahirapan at siguraduhin tama po ang pag-apply po natin sa ating mga chemicals. At dito naman yung aking favorite na area. Dito nakapag-relax tayo. Pwede itong maging waiting area po ng mga customers kapag may inaantay na sample or may inaantay na produkto na kinukuha sa likod ng storage area. And of course, this also works as a discussion area kapag may mga tanong ang ating mga customers. So yung technical engineer namin will use this space to explain kung ano yung tamang solutions para sa kanilang mga pangailangan sa kanilang construction. Dito naman, meron tayong monitor para ma-explain lalo kapag hindi kayo naliwanagan using videos or using PowerPoint presentations to explain further yung mga solutions and system that you will need. While you are waiting and relaxing, dito naman hinahanda yung mga orders ninyo para isakay sa inyong sasakyan. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung ating store tour. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions or comments na gusto niyo makita sa loob ng store, please feel free to give us your suggestions sa comment section. And available na pala ang Buildrite Hub nationwide. Flash on your screen is kung nasaan yung mga Buildrite Hubs located near you. And if you are interested to become a Buildrite Hub franchisee, please message us. Again, I'm Derek Tan. Magtanong para sigurado!